So after Rosenfeld, where will this road go?
This road goes to Rosenfeld,
Yeah.
to Balingen
Balingen,
and then to Rosenfeld.
Rosenfeld.
Yeah.
And after that?
From Rosenfeld to goes to the Black Forest.
Okay, so that connects with the Black Forest. Rosenfeld to Black Forest.
Yes.
That is the road. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And
There is
how to go to the castle?
castle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's long to drive. I think 5 hours. You must
5
do.
hours.
Yes.
No. When we go to the go from Balingen to Rosenfeld.
Okay, you know the castle.
Castle, yeah, it's on the
okay.
hilltop.
I know the we have in Germany a town.
Yeah.
They call the name is Kassel, and so
Oh, no.
that one.
No, I'm talking about the original castle.
Yeah, to the castle. It's not this road. It's the road to from Balingen to Stuttgart, and it's about 20 minutes to drive from Rosenfeld to the castle.
Okay. Only 20 minutes.
Only 20 minutes, 20
So-
minutes or 25 minutes, but not more.
So, any agenda to take us there? Are we going there on a tour?
No.
Oh.
Stay you on the last time by the IMM for 2 years ago? Stay you in Germany too?
No,
Are
last year I was not there.
This is your first.
This is my first time. Yeah.
Yeah, this tour we go not to the castle, you go to the Black Forest.
Yeah. This time it's a Black Forest. It's Black Forest. But I am going to stay here till 30th of September, month end. So maybe on 27th or 28th I'll go there alone, or you can give me your company. If it's just 20 minutes run, we'll go there. Is it possible?
No, I don't understand what you mean.
See, the conference will finish on 26th,
Yes.
right? So I have a meeting with Andreas and the new CEO
Yeah.
on 30th, 30
okay.
September. So I am staying back till 30 September. So after the conference, I will be free on 27 and 28
Okay.
and even 29.
And you would like then to go to the castle?
Yeah, maybe if it is possible, if you get me there, I can enjoy your company.
Well, I think it's no problem to go to the castle and after that.
Because
You must ask Andreas Meyer.
yeah, I'll talk to him. Because if you come here and you don't see that castle,
Yeah.
your trip is half. It's a beautiful castle. I have seen the
yes.
pics.
You
When-
can see it tomorrow. We will have better weather than today,
Yeah,
and when we have nice weather, when we have sun,
yeah.
you can see the castle from Geislingen, from Balingen.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not a way to drive from Balingen. It's 10 minutes.
when Andreas came to India, so he showed me the pics of castle. He told me, if you come to Germany, come and see this castle. It's beautiful
Yes,
castle.
Yes.
It's I think near Black Forest,
Yeah.
and it is
Rosenfeld is directly between the Black Forest and the Schwabian Alb.
Oh.
And castle is on the Schwabian Alb, and the Black Forest is. We have a river here. You cross them when you go to the Black Forest. It's called. The name is Neckar. We call
Okay.
it Neckar.
Okay.
And on this side from the Neckar, we are on the Schwabian Alb, and on another side we are in the Black Forest.
oh
This is the borderline. beside from the Schwäbin out to the Black Forest. It's the
Okay.
river Becker.
And how far is Rottwell from here?
Oh, Rottweil from here is to drive 30 minutes. 30 Minuten.
330.
30, yes.
Oh, quite far.
Rottweil is near the nearer the Black Forest than Rosenwald. It's in Rottweil begins the Black Forest.
Okay. When yesterday I came from Switzerland to this place, Dornach to
Okay.
Balingen. So I saw the Black Forest on the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You came with the car? Or
Yeah, I
with-
came in a car.
Okay.
There was one doctor who stays in Tübingen. Tübingen.
Okay.
Andreas also stays there, no?
Yeah.
Where does Andreas stay? Tübingen.
And Andreas stay in Tübingen or Rothenburg? I don't know.
Okay.
Uh,
So those people were very kind enough. They left me to my hotel's doorsteps.
mhm.
Yeah.
Zentrum.
Beautiful cars.